Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out, windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're using a water-fed pole to clean an entryway. This is heavily just soiled with spider webs. You can see the spider webs here. So typically our inside crew will clean out the insides and the entryways in and out with something like this, and while the other guys are out on the exterior using a water fed. But today this is so heavily just soiled with spider webs because these entryway lights are left on all night long, leaving the bugs to kind of develop around those areas, and the spiders sit there as well. So using a water fed pole, you're gonna get a better cleaning just because you're flushing out all these frames, all the spider webs out of them, compared to using trad tools where your sleeve is going to be caught up with the spider webs, and you know, even with your squeegee rubber, yeah, it's just fighting it with the water fed is going to be so much easier than trad if that's available to you. That with us, so since it is, because we're doing the water fed on this entire building anyways, it was just a nice easy fix for us. The tools we're using today, 30-foot triple crown pole for second floor. The third floor we're using a Gardner, it's probably an Extreme 45 IPC gas cart, and I guess that's a look at our site for today. And just wanted to point out how heavily, debris areas might be better off using something besides the traditional. Surely can be done with traditional, but there's always a better way, more efficient way. So out here, Window Warriors Forum.